Here? They seem to understand here. Oh, look, it's a cardinal. If a cardinal comes by me, I will be freaking out. Isn't he beautiful? He's here with me, sitting here. This is so cool. I'm trying to get him all. It's so beautiful. Cardinal moved when I moved. Wanted to see if he'd get the nut. That's sweet. No better therapy than nature therapy. I'm now gonna sit right here in the doorway. And wait and see if they come to get the nuts from my hand. Here, come, here. And throw the nuts out farther than me. He's a little scared. Maybe he does want one. Nope. This summer we're gonna sit outside with these wonderful, wonderful animals. And I swear they're gonna eat right out of our hands or come right up to us. Probably gonna be real happy and just come run up to us. This is my hopes. Spring is in the air, guys, and I need it. Look how pale I am. I need sun very much. For you. Scared to get. For you. Such a cutie. Come again. That's a little bear. Looks just like bear did last summer. This one's littler. Super sweet. Here? Come on. He's under the table. There you go. Happy spring. Here. There you go. Yeah, here. There, see? Not scary. Here and over there. That's so cool. Come on, birds. Come on, birds. See, they're closer to me now. I know you really can't see, but I'm on the porch. There's a short driveway between me and them. Even the birds are gonna come to us in the summer, I swear on it. So beautiful. I thought I had a hard winter. I'm sure these guys had a really rough winter. It was below freezing and sub-zero weather for way too long. Like 2 months in a row with no breaks. It was harsh. I don't know if I caught that, but there was a bird that flew pretty close. There you go. I paused the video so I could cough. And they still came down and got their nut. So sweet. Oh, and the cardinal's still there. Look. He's chicken now. It just flew off. But the cardinal being around people is pretty rare, I would think. I'm excited. Got my hat on. Maybe he thought I was a statue, the cardinal. And I just turned that camera around and talked to you. And look, the little guy's still sitting there just eating. He's okay. He's like, oh, she's feeding me. Animals are way smarter than people give them credit for. I think we've just been told to not get close to the animals because not everybody wants an animal running up on them. Oh, look at the bird on the seat there. Do you hear those wings? Seriously, birds are coming. They're gonna come here right in front of me, I bet. If not today, someday soon. Oh my gosh, the cardinal. He just flew over there into the bush. The cardinal. He's thinking about it. If I stop straining around, trying to get out of the pictures, he might actually just fly over there. How cool would that be?